name's Derek Lee Feltner, and this is Derek Lee Feltner Presents Water Heater Theater. For our first segment of the show, this is called Sticker Storytime Show and Tell. I have a box of stickers, and I'm going to draw them randomly and tell you a story about where they came from. This is the hard lessons. The hard lessons were a garage rock and roll band from the east side of the state, Detroit, Michigan. I saw them at Craft Brow Brewery here in Kalamazoo back in the early 2000s, or maybe it was the later 2000s. Augie is the guitarist and singer. They were really good. And then a year later, they played at WMU's Bronco Bash, which was really cool. Spit for Athena. This is another band sticker. This was a band formed in around 2000, 2001 in Coldwater, Michigan, with Levi Bailey, Melanie Cumming, and Matt Budd. They were really great. They played really fast, type of punk-inspired music. They even got signed to Eyeball Records. Levi used to make stickers out of glitter paper and then just write and design stuff with a magic permanent marker. That's what this one is. This is Pet Cemetery. As you can see, it's a play on the Ramones' famous logo. This was designed by Christopher Ott. He's a really great artist, and he really likes horror movies, and he has a really nice beard. Everything will be okay eventually. The sticker was designed by the great band Michigander here in Michigan. He put these out a few weeks ago, and I bought one. I'm bummed I never got to see his band live, but that will happen at some point. So there's about 13 other stickers in there, but coming from a theater background, I understand that it's all about leave the audience wanting more. So I'm going to do that. Thank you. This has been Sticker Storytime Show and Tell.